What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Aaron Unstoppable Journey. But before we get this video started, make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Let's get on to the video guys. So guys, we're going to talk about what is science, who is the father of science, and the 15 branches of science.
Yes, so today's video we will gonna share what is science, the definitions of science, the 15 branches of science, and the examples. Actually, there are 40 branches of science, but today's video we're only discussing 15 branches of science. And do you know who's the father of science, Aaron?
No.
It's Galileo Galilei. That's the father of science.
You said to me he's Italian.
He's Italian, yeah, he's Italian. He's Galileo Galilei.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is science, Aaron?
The science is well-organized body of knowledge that has been accumulated through ages. Careful observation, experimentation, evaluation, and reasoning.
Yes, science is well-organized body of knowledge that has been accumulated through ages, careful observation, experimentation, evaluations, and reasoning. So there are three features of science. The scope of science is the evaluation, experimentation, and reasoning.
Oh yeah, reasoning.
But before that, okay, so we will gonna discussing one by one the branches of science.
Yup.
So today we just only discussing 15 branches of science. Okay, the first one is, what is physics?
Physics is motion and force.
Yeah, deals with the study of motion and force. Okay, so do you know what are the force or motion?
I know the force.
Okay.
There is two kinds of force. Push force and pull force.
And what are those two kinds of forces?
So you already guys know that the pushing force is like you push, like the objects that you push, and the pulling force is like objects that you pull.
Alright, that's good. So that's number one. Number two is, what is biology?
Biology is the study of plants.
Biology, no, it's a study of life and
Life and non-living life.
non-living things. Okay, do you know the non-living things and living things, Aaron?
The non-living things are this computer that we're recording on.
Yeah, the one that's no life, that is non-living things. And what are the living things?
Us!
Yes, we are humans, people, animals, plants, everything that has breath.
Santa Claus!
No, it's not breathing. It's our decoration last year. We just gonna found it, and Aaron put it on his is that the
Bookshelf.
furniture bookshelves.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's continue, guys. So biology deals with the study of living things and non-living things. Okay, so
Okay.
living things are
Us!
us, the
Santa
one will
Claus.
have a breath. Oh, do you understand what is living things, Aaron?
Yeah, the living things are us,
Then why
plants,
you're including Santa Claus? And it's not breathing. Only the one is have a breath, that is living things.
Okay.
Okay, let's move forward. Let's go to, what's the next one? Zoology. What is zoology?
Zoology is the study of animals.
The study of animals. This with the study of animals. The zoology. So what are those animals that you're talking about?
Zebra,
Zebra.
giraffe,
Giraffe.
rhino,
Rhino.
cow,
Cow.
horse,
Horses,
rabbits,
rabbits.
and worms.
And all those ones, you could see them in
The land.
or in the
Grass?
you know where's the Toronto pa? What's that one? The one that they're putting all the animals? The zoo.
Zoo!
Zoo! Forget about it. The zoo. So this is zoology. So that's the study of animals. Okay? So the next one is astronomy. What is astronomy, Aaron?
The heavenly bodies.
Astronomy?
Yeah.
That deals with the study of stars.
Oh yeah.
This is astronomy. It's the heavenly bodies. It's other branch of science, but it's not astronomy.
Then
Okay,
what's
so you know the stars. Yeah, this one is one part of branches of science. And then the next one is genetics. What is genetics, Aaron?
the study of the DNA, like
Yeah,
that?
the DNA,
And the genes.
the genes, hereditary. That's with the study of heredity and
Heredity and DNA.
DNA. Okay, what is all about this DNA that we're talking about?
The small particles.
It's a
Is that
DNA is like the ribonucleic acid. There's two kind of DNA, the RNA and the DNA. The ribonucleic acid and the so hard to pronounce. But this one is regarding if you have you need to pass if you have a history of your family, like what kind of diseases. So this one is hereditary, like if you inherit the hair of your mother, because in this chromosomes.
black?
Yeah. So Aaron, yeah, my black hair, like that. So you inherit my black hair, but your nose, you inherit that one to your dada. You the same nose. So like in chromosomes, there are 43 chromosomes in. No, I think 23 chromosomes in females and 23 chromosomes for the father. So in total is 22 chromosomes that you got from your both parents. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so the next one, it should be physics. What is physics?
You already
Aaron?
said physics.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How about oceanology?
The study of the
The
oceans.
study of the oceans. Oceology. See, we don't know before that oceology is part of this science, but there are 40 branches of science. So oceology, you know what are those examples of oceans?
Yeah, Pacific
know?
Ocean, Southern Ocean,
Southern
Arctic Ocean,
Yes.
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean. Yeah, there's a lot of oceans, but there's especially
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic oceans. Yes. And then the next one should be astronomy. There are two kind of astronomy: the study of the heavenly bodies that you're talking about, and another
Yeah.
one here is the study of the stars. And then the next one is cytology. What is cytology?
Study of the cells,
Study of the cells. And you know what is these cells that we're talking about?
like the cells in our
The
bodies.
cells in our body, and the cells is the smallest particle of all things, of all living things, cells. So the next one is botany. What is botany, Aaron?
Study of the plants.
Study of the plants. So in botany, because in biology, that one deals with the study of living things and non-living things, and then botany, it's another part of biology, and it's botany and deals with the study of
Plants.
plants.
The plant is a living thing.
It's a living things, but that one is under the branches of biology. Bios means life. And then the next one is mycology. What is mycology, Aaron?
Mycology,
Mycology.
study of fungi,
Fungi.
and fungi.
Fungus.
Fungus.
I think fungus is a singular and fungus is a plural. I'm not really sure for that, but I think so. It's a fungi. Example of fungi are the mushrooms.
And the diseases.
No, that's like another types of this mycology, but it's not. This one is like the fungi, like the one
Like mushroom.
Yeah, that's a mushrooms, but in this mycology, there are 3 parts. But I am not really sure what are those, but it's like it's hard to pronounce.
Really hard to
And we
pronounce.
couldn't really included that one onto this mycology because we need to study the mycology itself. And then the next one is hepatology. What is hepatology, Aaron?
The liver, the
This one is
Liar.
hepatology. Hepatology.
study of the liar and disease.
Is study of liver.
Liver.
Liver and its diseases. So hepatology deals with the study of liver and its diseases. That means one of the internal organs of our body, that is liver. So in the hepatologist, the specialist, is the one to study what kind of liver, if we have a diseases on our liver, something like that. If we have any infectious diseases, that one is connecting also to our lungs, but that one we discuss with a different topic. And then the next one is nephrology. What is nephrology, Aaron?
The study of kidneys and its function.
It's study of kidneys and its function. So this is nephrology, and this is also, oh, what happened? Nephrology is this one is a nephrologist, a specialist that they are the one who studied the kidneys. If you have dysfunctions or if you have diseases on the kidneys, so the specialist is the one who studied this. It's our kidneys, and in our kidneys too, there's a lot also of functions and the characteristics.
Yeah.
And the next one is numismatics. What is
Study of
numismatics?
coins and metal.
Yeah, this one is, we don't know that this one is a branch of science too. Numismatics. Numismatics is deals with the study of coins and medals. So that we don't know that there are different kinds of coins and there are different kinds of medals or whatever coins that they are creating it. So this specialist is the one also specializing all these kinds of materials. Okay, and the next one is osteology. What is
Study of
osteology?
bones.
So those for the study of bones. Osteology. So how many bones that we have in the body, Aaron?
For adult, there's 206, I think.
Yes, 206 bones for human adults. And also, how come the babies, it says there that babies' bones is specifically estimated for 230 bones in the infants comparing to adult human bones. How come this babies, infants, they have more bones in comparing to human adults
And kids.
and kids?
Because
Yes.
like everywhere here, the teeth and those stuff, everything is a bones for baby.
Oh, but their cells, then their skin is still soft, and then they have a lot of bones. So 230 for human and the infants, and 206 for the adult humans. So it's like 230 minus 206 is 24 difference bones for the infants and the human adults. And then the next one is pedology. What is pedology, Aaron?
Study of soil.
Study of soils. Pedology deals with the study of soils. And I think there are 4 kinds of soils. Do you know what are the 4 kinds of soils?
Clay soil,
Mm-hmm.
loamy soil,
Mm-hmm.
and
Silk soils.
silk soils, and
Silk soil. Clay soil. Loamy soil.
and the last one.
I think there's only 3.
No, there's
There's
4.
4, but I don't know the other one. You no need to check. There's three kinds of soils that we know: clay soil, silk soil, and loamy soil. I think the other one is the mud one, because there's kind of like the mud soil, like the tin soil, the black soil. There are different kinds of soil.
Yeah, a lot of soil.
Different kind of soil. Because if you're planting seeds, then you know which one is the best soil to planting a seed. If you're planting with the wet soil, and I think your seeds, it's growing so quickly because it's a little bit wet. I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Because if you planting on the dry soil, I don't think so the seed is gonna be alive and grow, because there's no water.
Because you're
in
not
it.
giving it water.
Yeah, so the seeds needs also water.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last one, I think it's already number 15, is virology.
This is easy.
What is virology, Aaron?
Viruses.
Deals with the study of viruses. And these viruses, there are kinds of viruses. That
There's
we don't
already
know.
virus,
There's
coronavirus.
coronavirus. And you could see only in the microscopic things. They are so small, and they're only multiplying in the organism, in the life body. And
There's also rhinovirus.
I don't know about the rhinovirus. I think so. Yeah, there are kinds of viruses. I think they are smaller than the bacteria, because another one here is bacteriology, and deals with the study of bacteria. And bacteria and viruses, they're kind of similar, but the viruses is more smaller than the bacteria.
Maybe they're this small.
Probably.
This small.
Okay, so yeah, so we love to discuss science, and Aaron loves science too, since when he's in kindergarten, because sometimes I'm teaching him what are the branches of science and the functions and the definitions of science and the examples. And now he's learning. He's learning about kind of science. This is only the basic science, guys. And next time we will continue about biology, what kinds of the definitions, what are the main functions of biology and their characteristics. And also in sciences, there are three scopes, three features. Like what are the three features of science?
Valuation and reasoning and experimentation.
So deals with the study of, and the science is what is science again?
Science is well-organized body of knowledge that has been accumulated through ages, careful observation, experimentation, evaluation, and reasoning.
Yeah, deals with the study of science.
Science is well-organized body.
Well-organized body of knowledge that has been accumulated
through ages.
A
Careful observation, experimentation, evaluation, and reasoning.
So I think there are four of them. So starting observation, experimentation, evaluation, and reasoning. So you could be also observe, this is observation, and then you need to be experimentation, especially if you want to see something on the microscope. So that's you could experiment, but we need to move forward on that topic soon. And then I think that's the lesson 2, the episode 2 for English, the basic English is
the 4 sentences.
that one is done, right? Remember on the episode 1, the lesson 1, and then next topic should be the
What is verb?
8 parts of speech.
8
8 parts of speech.
The 8 parts of a speech.
Yes, the next topic that we will gonna discuss are the 8 parts of speech. So I think we discussed the 15 branches of science today, and hopefully you guys learn about something, the basic science, the definitions of science, the branches of science and their functions and the examples. And the next topic that we're gonna discuss, and we're gonna continue English, and let's move forward to 8 parts of
speech. Speech.
Okay, guys, so Aaron.
So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe this video, like this video, and share this video to your friends so that they will watch this too. And don't forget to hit that notification bell after when you hit that subscribe button down below so that you won't miss any of our new videos.
Thanks for listening for our presentations today, and hope guys you will continually watching our videos, because every day we have, not every day, every other 3 days we have a new videos, and very interesting videos that that you could learn substantially into this Aaron Unstoppable Journey. So we want to have a goal this year that Aaron will hit 5,000 subscriber. 5,000 subscriber this year, 2021. Okay guys, so thanks for listening for our video today.
We hope you like this video, guys.
And have a wonderful day and a blessed day for everyone.
Bye!